Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 10 ways virtual assistants can make money in 2023. So let's dive right into it. Number one, general administrative support assists clients with tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, data entry, and document organization. Number two, customer support. Handle customer inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide assistance through various communication channels. Number three, social media management. Help businesses manage their social media accounts by creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Number four, content writing and editing offers your services as a virtual assistant to help with writing, editing, and proofreading tasks for blogs, articles, and website copy. Number five, online research. Conduct research for clients, gather information, and compile reports on various topics. And there you have it, the top 10 ways virtual assistants can make money in 2023. So don't wait. Start exploring these options and take your virtual assistant career to the new heights. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and keep earning as a virtual assistant. Bye.